May your divine life grow apace, little by little, day by day, to grow more and more into you. Day by day,
Bit by bit,
life will grow,
as expected,
increasing gradually until, however imperceptibly, your life matures with